So in this 60-second EdTech tip, we're talking about Jamboard again, and this time we're going to take a look at how you can use Jamboard for peer feedback among students to help them develop their skills in modeling or just giving basic feedback. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. This student was a really cool example. I have the kids work on their own individual Jamboards, and what I had them do is to save the frame as an image and then import it into the class Jamboard. So great idea for me to see what they're working on, either in real time if they were working live on this one as this student was, or if they wanted to just paste in their work, then I could see it, comment on it, and they still have access to it after the fact. What you could do is have all the students go through and look at the student who's one higher than them. So if mine is number 1, then I can look at a student who has number 2, and it's my job to actually go in and write down questions on their drawings that I don't necessarily understand. And then 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4, and then the last student goes back to number 1. Great tip, using Google Jamboard as a collaborative space, but not having your students necessarily mess with one another's work. Hey, I hope that video was helpful to you. Just like all of our other videos, they're going to be showing up on our new blog, kicksomeclass.com, where every video that we create, whether it's for teachers, students, or parents, is really helping you design to kick some class, either whether you're remote, whether you're in person, or in some weird hybrid like I am. So go ahead and check that out, kicksomeclass.com. Check out our other 60-second EdTech tips, and also any of the other really cool videos that we're putting out, science content, full-length tutorials, all sorts of stuff.